I'm Bill McAleese with the Garage Gurus. In today's Tech Tip video, I'll be going over how to release an electromechanical parking brake manually. On most newer vehicles being produced today, electronic control components are taking over. One of the old systems that has seen this change is the parking brake. More and more vehicles are being equipped with electronic parking brakes. This comes with a whole new set of challenges, from diagnostics to servicing the system. This also means when there is a failure in another system, such as the electrical system, parking brake may become inoperable and may not release. If you have a vehicle like the one we're working on today, it comes equipped with all-wheel drive, pushing this into the shop may not be an option. So today, I want to show you a way that might just allow you to move the vehicle into the shop a little bit easier and without the use of a tow truck. It will require getting under the back of the vehicle and gaining access to the rear brake calipers. For demonstration purposes, we have our vehicle in the shop on a lift, but you can do the same thing using a floor jack and a few jack stands in the parking lot. Please be careful if doing this in the parking lot. Make sure you're in a safe spot where no other vehicles could possibly run into the vehicle. Also, make sure the surface you're going to be jacking the vehicle up on is stable enough to support the jack and jack stands properly. Once you have the vehicle safely jacked up, you'll need to slide under the vehicle and locate the rear brake calipers. Look at how the electromechanical parking brake motors are mounted. Some are serviceable and some are not. If they are serviceable, they will have bolts holding them onto the aluminum caliper housing. If they are not serviceable, you will not be able to perform this procedure. Once you locate the bolts, you can remove them, but don't unplug the electromechanical parking brake motor. This will cause the system to lose the basic settings, and in some cases may require you to replace the brake calipers and/or the electromechanical parking brake motors. After you remove the bolts, carefully remove the electromechanical parking brake motor, making sure not to catch the motor or harness on any of the suspension components. Then secure this out of the way. Next, using the correct socket that will fit into the back of the caliper piston, turn the caliper piston adjustment bolt half to one full turn to release the brake caliper. After doing this to both sides, you can take the vehicle off the jack stands, making sure that neither of the electromechanical parking brake motors get caught on any of the suspension components while lowering the vehicle. Once on the ground, you're ready to move the vehicle. After you fix the customer's concern, you will need to reverse the procedure on the electromechanical parking brakes. On most newer systems, the control module will relearn the air gap between the brake pads and the rotors by operating the electromechanical parking brake a few times. However, in certain cases, you may have faults to clear and may need to run a function test through the scan tool in order to relearn the air gap. I'm Bill McAleese with the Garage Gurus, and thanks for watching. For more tech tips like these, be sure to subscribe to our channel.